And then for the testimonials, yeah, you just click in here, same stuff, real easy. All this is real straightforward. Okay? Now say, for example, you didn't want an area, say we wanted to get rid of this, we can just X that whole area out. Now this section right here is our actual blog. And right now, if we click on any of these, it's not going to go anywhere. So we need to make a couple changes to update this. So let's click these 3 lines over here and then exit to dashboard. Go ahead and close this and then click right here in the W and then click on your site name right there. So if we click on the blog, nothing is going to happen. So what we're going to do is update this so anytime you create a blog post, you will have a blog role. So all your blog posts will live on this page. So anytime someone clicks blog, you'll see all your blog posts. So we're going to head back here. We're going to click on dashboard. Then we're going to head down here to settings and then click on reading. Now right here where it says your homepage displays a static page, when we installed the Astra starter site, it selected the home page for us, which you can see here. So for the post page, we have nothing selected. So your post typically serve as blog posts. Okay, so we're going to select blog for this. So anytime we create a post over here, this is going to be for our blog content. Pages are for static pages, such as your About Us page, contact page, product page. You get the idea. So post only blog posts. That's it. So let's go ahead and make sure we save right here. Then head back. Now when we installed this starter site, it came with a lot of default content, remember? So it came with some blog posts. If we click blog, boom, here's our blog. Pretty cool, right? So for now, I would just model these blog posts, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. So if I just click on the post, this is what it will look like. And if we wanted to edit this post, we would click on edit post right here, not edit with Elementor. This is just a blog post. And here's the post right here. So what we would do to edit any of it is we could just click in. It's literally like a Word document. It's very simple. You just paste in, this is the name of the post right here, and you literally just paste in your content. It's real simple. To change the image right here, we could just remove this block. And if I wanted to add a new image, I could press enter, and then I could click this little plus right here and say I wanted to add an image. Click the image, media library, and I'll just pick something random here. Let's pick this one. And we want to select that. Looking good. Real simple. Now you can do some pretty fancy stuff with blog posts, and what I'll do is link to a video below teaching you how to make beautiful, engaging blog post with the WordPress Gutenberg editor, because that could be a whole tutorial on its own. It can be pretty involved with what you can do. You can make some really amazing looking blog posts, as you can kind of tell here. For now, what's important is just get your blog live, some content out there, a couple images, and you are set to jet. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to structure your blog so you get the most engagement and best user experience. Okay, so let's head back to the home page, and we'll head down here. And right here, where our blog posts are, I'd like for you to think of these as categories. Okay, so for example, at Websites Made Easy, we have 3 categories, which is website, traffic, and customers. 3 things that we help people with, or the experience of transformation they can get in those 3 areas of our business. So for this example, this could be, for example, weight training, nutrition, yoga. You get the idea. So basically how it would work is any content that you create that is specific to nutrition, you would categorize it as nutrition. Or weight training, you would categorize your blog posts weight training or whatever the name you want to come up with. This could be yoga. So let me show you with the specific blog posts that we currently have here. So we can go back to the blog. Okay, so this is the blog role. This is where every one of your blog posts will live. It doesn't matter the category. Now, right now, all of these are uncategorized. We're going to fix this, okay? So right here, these two are nutrition, and we'll just work with these two for an example, nutrition. So I'll go ahead and click on this post. Okay, so here's the blog post, and now I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Post. Now, if you're logged in, you'll be able to do this, okay? So click Edit Post. And then from here, we want to go to Categories, click that, and then add a new category. So I'm just going to type in nutrition. If I can spell it right. Okay, I'll just copy that, the next one, and then add new category. Perfect. Now we'll uncheck this and then update the post. Awesome. Now we can view post right here. And now you can see it's categorized, nutrition. So we'll head back to the blog, and I'm going to update this one. So I'm going to click the post, edit post, and then right here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to tick off this and uncheck this, and then update. Perfect. Now check this out. This is where it gets cool. So I'm going to go ahead and view post. And then right here, if we click on nutrition, check that out. Now we have all our blog posts that are specific to nutrition. Now what's cool about this is it really structures and organizes your blog. So when someone, finds you online and they're reading a specific post and it's under the nutrition category, they're going to be able to find the rest of your blog posts specific to nutrition. So they'll stay on your blog longer. That's what you want, okay? Now what we'll do is grab this URL. Then all we got to do is head back to the home page. Head down here, and you're going to want to do this for each section if you decide to do it this way. All right, and then right here, we can make sure we select Edit with Elementor. So when you're editing posts, you're just going to click Edit Posts. Posts do not use Elementor. So we'll head down, and then right here, we'll click the Read More, and then pop in this link. And then update. And that's it. And pretty easy stuff. And the rest of your site is really easy. Now I'm going to show you how to update the header area up here, add a logo, change up your menu if you don't want all these pages, and edit your footer here in a minute. And that's about it. And also, if you don't want any of these sections, let me show you this real quick. Click this little hamburger thing. It looks like a little hamburger, but it's a little icon. It says Navigator. Click that, and then you can see all the sections of your page. As you click on one, it'll take you to each individual section. Now, if you don't want a section, you can just exit out. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to go back in time, you can click on the history icon right here, and then I can go ahead and just click this one right here. Yep, that's still good to go. So the rest of our site is perfect. Awesome.